There are now many AI writing apps out there. Recently, a new one came out called LEX, which is getting a lot of hype on the internet. I haven't had a chance to try it out yet, but it looks promising. Essentially, what they do is to use AI to help you write better and faster. On the other hand, there are also more and more note-taking apps that are now using AI, such as Napkin and Mem. While AI writing apps are incredibly useful for writers and creators to generate content fast, AI note-taking apps are great for studying and learning new things in general. So in this video, I want to show you what that looks like. For this demo, I'm going to use this app, which is called Logseq. I like it because it's easy to use and free. First, I'm going to show you a few workflows for taking notes with AI. And then I'll go over how to set this up. The first example I want to show you is using AI while writing. So let's say you're writing a blog post or an essay, and sometimes you get questions or things you want to look up. Usually you may open the browser and Google, but instead you can ask GPT-3 for help. For instance, if you're writing about habit building, you can ask for a summary of atomic habits. And then you could even ask who wrote the book if you forgot. Or you can even ask for a list of important things when building habits, which you can use as a basis for your writing. But it can be anything. As you write, you probably get more questions. You can simply ask the questions and GPT-3 will help you figure out the answers. Of course, you have to be careful because there's no guarantee that it'll be 100% accurate. So you need extra caution, especially when you're writing an academic essay, and you definitely want to check the primary source. Another great way to use AI for writing is to beat your writer's block. Sometimes you don't know what to write next. When that happens, you just write a prompt and then ask AI to complete the sentence or paragraph. Then you can start from there. Again, if you're going to publish it, don't forget to use a plagiarism checker. But if you're just writing for yourself, then this could be a great way to get unstuck. And then when you have a topic you want to write about on your mind, but don't know how to structure it, you could ask GPT-3 to generate an outline for you. Having a skeleton can really help you organize your thoughts and make it easier to start like this. Also, if you're a student, you can use this to take notes during lectures. It's similar to the first use case, but whenever you have a question, you can just ask it and get some answers. Of course, it's probably best to ask the lecturer, to be honest, but sometimes that's difficult. I remember I was too shy to ask a question during a lecture when I was a student. Anyway, if you're like that, this could come in handy. When you're self-learning something, the hardest thing might be to figure out a good learning path. You may not even know what you need to learn, and in that case, you can ask GPT-3 for a general pointer. For instance, if you want to learn more about machine learning, you can ask it to give you a list of resources to get started with it. Okay, so as you can see, there are many ways to use GPT-3 for writing and studying. Now, let's move on to how to set this up for you to try it. It's all free and takes just about 5 minutes. So first of all, you want to download Logseq, which you can do from their website. And once you install it, select a folder to store your notes. This could be anywhere you like. Next, we are going to install a plugin for GPT-3, which was built by Brian Sunter. This whole thing is not possible without his work, so I'd like to spread the love here. Alright, to install the plugin, click the 3 dots and plugins. Then search for GPT-3 and hit install. We're almost there. Next, you want to go to OpenAI website and create your account. After that, go to your account menu and view API key. Here, you just need to copy your secret key. Then head back to Logseq. Once again, open the plugins menu and find the GPT-3 one you just installed. Click on this wheel icon and open setting and paste the API key in the top field. And that's it, you are all set. You can write a prompt or a question and then type / and select GPT. Now you should be able to do all the examples I showed you in this video. Alright, so that was a demo of how you can incorporate AI into studying and note-taking. I don't think it magically makes you smarter or anything, but it's a great assistant and definitely makes a few things easier. And as I said before, you want to be a little bit careful when using AI for writing. Make sure to double check the source of information, as well as use a plagiarism checker before publishing anything that you wrote with AI. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.